Thank you for buying this 10119 tabletop organizer from Fixture Displays. This display comes in 3 groups of parts. And there are different ways to assemble this. In this video, we're going to show you our original design intent. Certainly, you can get creative with those parts. There are pilot holes drilled, and should you wish to assemble differently than how we suggest, you may need to drill additional holes. So we have the hardware have embedded nuts that you would insert into the holes on the flat surface, and there's an arrow to identify where it should face out. So we inserted this into the flat surface and make sure it points opening position to the edge holes. So once we have all the nuts inserted properly, we can start to pick up a couple parts and realize that the distance are different from the two sides. Now we're going to line up the holes on the side, and then the screw goes in from the side. This is very sturdy construction once you fasten the screws into the nuts. Now we're going to pick up the longer side panel, and again you have one side holes longer than the other. In this particular situation, we want to make sure the bottom is identical, so when they sit on the tabletop, it is flat or flush on the bottom. We chose to assemble both pieces the same way, and you can use this way, or you can get a little more creative to stack them up, narrow or wide. There are definitely other ways to use those displays, and I encourage you to get creative and just make sure that when you repurpose those parts, the additional holes may be required. Dimensions: each of these is 13.4 inches wide, 6 inches deep, and the height is 8.5 on the short end and 13.4 on the high end. The entire unit weighs about 6.6 pounds. Any questions, let us know. cs@fixturedisplays.com. Encourage you to spend some time on fixturedisplays.com to explore more consumer and business products we have to offer. Thank you once again for shopping with us.